Oh no. This computer came here today by it getting a full water bottle onto it in a vacuum. So we're gonna go have a look at it today. She did tell me she did take it to and they said they can't fix it due to the charger port being too mangled.
Incredible.
So I'm not gonna plug a charger right into it. The charger already looks questionable. By questionable, I mean literally on a 30-degree angle. So we're not gonna touch that. What we are gonna touch is just the laptop right away. That's a razor blade. We're gonna touch the laptop right away, see what's wrong with it, and then we can go from there. To be 100% honest with you, I have fixed a water-damaged computer before, but it was not an Acer or a Windows machine. It was actually 1466 MacBook Air. I mean, I got it working, but I couldn't get the display to post just because of the display connector having horrible corrosion, just causing the pads to lift up and essentially popcorn the whole side there. So that board will need a replacement or some type of wire patch job. I have no idea.
Alrighty, what are we looking at?
So they already cleaned it. So that deletes the whole root cause straight soldered to the board. I'm not going to jump to conclusions and say that's the issue. What I am going to do is see how hot this chip gets whenever I plug in the charger. See a bit of corrosion still. A little bit of IPA and a toothbrush. She also told me even more bad news. This has been sitting for a month. A little nervous about that. We're not going to plug this charger in. The China. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Alright. Give me a charging LED or something. Okay, so it's receiving charge, which is cool. So I'm gonna assume this board is absolutely cooked just by the way it's acting. I'm gonna go plug this in one more time. Still nothing. Does not want to turn on. There is something seriously wrong. Screen's unplugged. Ooh, I see a bunch of corrosion on the screen. So all of this right here that you guys are seeing, that's all corrosion. That's gonna need a clean up. So we're gonna go do it. It's fine. That's all good. I'm glad I found the true main cause. We're just going to spray a little bit of IPA on there. Go in lightly with the toothbrush. Spray on the display connector and obviously go slower because this is more delicate. What I think happened is the corrosion shorted this transistor on the board. I have no schematic, so I don't know what this does for anything here. It might be the main display controller. That could have got fried from the corrosion and the water. The thermal paste is all watered down, so that's very concerning. Now, let's take off this little plastic thing. Take a look at the RAM. I don't think the RAM got touched, because this looks fairly adhesive on. See, RAM looks alright. That does not look okay. That was underneath, and that looks like a blown chip. Ooh. I hope that's not fucked. Sure looks like it. Oh no. That's not good. Something with the charger, eh? Fuck off, dude. What? That looks better. What I am gonna do is we're gonna go get a little bit of alcohol, rag, but change this thermal paste. So before we put that on, same process. Little bit of thermal on you, little bit on you. Why not with that? Thermal compound's on, fan's on, everything's back in, corrosion's cleaned. Let's give it a whirl. No, not even a fan spinner or anything. I think this board is just finished. I mean, positive is I should be able to retrieve all the data. I want to thank you guys all for watching and seeing what a water damaged computer would look like. Unfortunately, I was unable to pursue any of the repairs as I couldn't fix anything. I read all my comments, so if you guys have a comment, please leave a comment below. If you guys like the video, make sure to leave a like. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.